You're now viewing a projector headlight installation for a 1997 to 2001 Honda Prelude. These are the tools that we recommend for the installation. Please be aware that we will have to remove the front bumper for this installation. As you can see, these 5 red arrows, they consist of 5 10mm bolts. Go ahead and remove these bolts. Either side of the front of the vehicle, go ahead and remove the Phillips head screw inside your fender well. Here you see 4 yellow arrows pointing to 4 plastic clips. Go ahead and remove these. As we zoomed in with the camera, we will show you where to remove this plastic clip behind the front grille. Next step is to remove the front grille. Underneath your front grille, you will see 5 plastic clips by these yellow arrows. Go ahead and remove these. Now gently tug on the front bumper so that you can reach in and unplug the bumper light socket. You can finally remove the front bumper. Using your 10mm bolt socket, as you see here in red, go ahead and remove this bolt. Looking closely inside, you will see another 10mm bolt to remove. On the other side of the headlight, remove the third and last bolt. It is a 10mm. Now you are free to unplug the headlight harness. With your new projector headlight, go ahead and plug back in the headlight harness and the correct bulb sockets. Once you made the connections, go ahead and put your new headlight assembly back into its original location. Follow this video to the end so that you can tighten everything down together. We highly recommend that these headlights are properly functioning before you take these out on the road.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.